Hello world, I'm nervous about making this video. I have many struggles that have hindered me in life, such as ADHD, possible autism, but sharing the knowledge stuck inside my brain is a life goal of mine, so I'm going to give this a try. I know I do have some things going for me. I am in a position to buy 2 homes within the next 3 months, assuming the banks don't do a credit crunch on us. And even after pushing myself to this last September by blowing around 10K, trying to push myself to the brink and get over my hindrances in life. So I wish to share all the scatterbrained thoughts as I try to figure out my next moves in life. Will you like and subscribe to help me figure out what I'm going to do for my next house I'm going to buy? Thank you.